What if I told you that you could turn a part-time opportunity into a full-time business that you own and control? Hi, I'm Nicole Williams, and for over a decade, I've been helping people like you build financial freedom in the tax industry. At Champions Tax Service, I offer something bigger. We're all about building futures. You'll have the chance to start your own virtual tax and bookkeeping business. The more you grow, the more you earn. Every year, your commission increases, and by your third year, you could be leading your own team and running your very own virtual tax firm. This opportunity isn't for everyone. If you're just looking for a 9-to-5, this might not be the right fit. But if you're an entrepreneur at heart, looking for mentorship and a path to business ownership, I'm here to guide you. Here's how it works. I'll personally train you in tax preparation, personal branding, and marketing. But that's just the beginning. We also teach B2B organic lead generation, so you'll learn how to attract and grow your client base without spending a dime on ads. You'll discover how to position yourself in the market and stand out from the competition by building a powerful personal brand. You'll also be covered under my professional liability insurance, completely free of charge, so you don't have to worry about the risk. The only thing you need to get started is your PTIN through the IRS, which costs just $30 and takes about 15 minutes to complete online, no felonies within the last 10 years, and you're good to go. But this isn't just about taxes. This is about creating a business that grows with you. As you develop your skills and build your client base, you'll have the freedom to work from anywhere, set your own schedule, and design your life the way you want. Imagine being able to support your family, live the lifestyle you've always dreamed of, and lead a team of your own. Every step of the way, I'll be here to support you. We'll work together, one-on-one, so you can overcome challenges, hit your goals, and continue to grow your business year after year. My goal is to see you succeed, not just as a tax preparer, but as a business owner and leader. Let's get started today. Visit championstax.com/join, and let's take the first step toward building your own business. I can't wait to see what we'll accomplish together.